Welcome to TTI. Welcome back to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. Before we begin, subscribe now and don't miss anything. SINO Aqua. Designed by Dutch yacht manufacturing company SINO, the SINO Aqua is the world's first hydrogen-powered superyacht. It made its debut at the Monaco Yacht Show, and it offers an unprecedented blend of luxury and environmental friendliness. The Aqua is a 400-foot-long behemoth, which makes use of liquefied hydrogen for power, which is converted into electricity via PEM fuel cells with water as the only byproduct. This electricity is then funneled through the ship's switchboards and then buffeted by large batteries for use in the future. Propulsion is handled with two 28-ton vacuum tanks that each contain liquefied hydrogen, which are stored at -423 degrees Fahrenheit. If this seems appealing to you and you find the idea of an environmentally friendly super yacht capable of speeds of up to 19.5 miles per hour appealing, then you can shell out a mere $644 million to have this vehicle added to your stable. TerraSentia. The TerraSentia is one of the world's smallest available for purchase on the open market. This portable device stands at a minuscule 12.5 inches wide and 12.5 inches tall, and was designed by the founder of EarthSense, Girish Chowdhury, to help deal with the problems of food insecurity. The TerraSentia is used by crop breeders and plant protection product developers to help hasten the speed and efficiency of data collection, and converts this data to actionable information about plant characteristics. It works with the use of a range of sensors, among which it includes visual cameras, LiDAR, and other onboard sensors, to carry out its duties and ultimately contribute to the growing body of knowledge on plant habits. Cora. By now, you'd expect flying taxis to be common. However, unlike sci-fi movies, these technologically advanced means of transportation haven't yet come into common usage. Recent news from Wisk, a joint venture between Boeing and Kitty Hawk, has given us new hope that this amazing innovation may not be as far into the future as we think. Wisk announced in 2019 that it had begun to take concrete steps to achieve its goal of developing a flying taxi service that can be summoned by an app and flown by a combination of autopilot systems and a remote human pilot. It is expected that this service would be powered by 8 rotors to help power its vertical takeoff and landing abilities, and should be significantly less noisy than a regular chopper. Festo Bat. This somewhat scary invention was created by German company Festo to be a combination of the integrated onboard electronics with an external motion tracking system. The Festo Bat is able to navigate semi-autonomously through the air with the use of an artificial flying membrane, much like an actual bat. This robotic bat has a wingspan of 228 centimeters and a body length of 87 centimeters. It's also known as Festo Flying Fox that weighs just 580 grams. It carried out its tracking with the use of 2 mobile infrared cameras that can be used in conjunction with 4 active infrared markers attached to the legs and wingtips to monitor its movements. Festo BionicWheelBot. From the producers of our favorite robot bats come this equally disturbing invention. The Festo BionicWheelBot. It has 8 legs, can walk like other spiders, and is controlled by 15 small motors, which fit in the knee joints and body to give it that realistic, creepy spider jerk motion. It works with the use of an additional extra creepy transformation from spider to wheel in order to catch up with its prey and add an extra bit of sci-fi horror to your already interesting life. Microphone jamming. If you are a lover of sci-fi gadgets or just a person who values their privacy, the microphone jammer helps you create a cone of silence when you want your private conversations to remain private.
So, how does it work?
I can tell you how it works, but it's confidential.
As a result of the proliferation of smartphones as well as the irritating tendency of multinational corporations to eavesdrop on private conversations, it is almost impossible to keep secrets. Studies by the National Public Media have shown that 24% of US adults now have a smart speaker in their homes, choosing to hand their privacy to companies like Amazon and Google. It is easy to see that this number will only increase as time goes on. In an effort to combat this, a team of computer science professors at the University of Chicago have invented a special bracelet that jams any nearby microphones, including the ones in smart speakers and home assistants. This chunky bracelet works by using 24 speakers capable of emitting imperceptible ultrasonic signals, which is interpreted as uninteresting static by any monitoring devices spying on your conversations. Handy, right?
How's the big project going?
Good. To be safe.
ARVR Laptop. Give yourself a futuristic experience with the ARVR Laptop. Play around with mixtape cutting-edge tools that give you the opportunity to bend augmented and virtual reality to the limit. Developed by American company Z-Space, the ARVR Laptop works with a pair of custom glasses to give you a whole new cyber experience. These glasses allow you to pull out 3D images from the screen and manipulate them in any manner of your choosing. This opens up previously unexplored avenues for education and design, giving us all the opportunity to build our own Iron Man suits from the privacy of our homes. Galaxy Z Flip. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of innovation with the Galaxy Z Flip. This unique device tackles the concept of a folding smartphone and actually manages to pull it off. Made from an ultra-thin glass designed with Gorilla Glass 6 and represent foldable dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen that gives you the best display without the risk of cracking, as well as a 6.7-inch phone that seems to be the spiritual successor of the Razr. The Samsung Z Flip seems to be hitting all the right notes when it comes to delivering what its customers want. Made from a lightweight aluminum frame and equipped with a non-removable Live Pro 3300 mAh battery, which supports wireless charging, the Galaxy Z Flip is definitely a must-have device for any phone enthusiast. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most insane inventions from all over the world. Which of these inventions did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.